Is your kitty fire alarm beeping constantly? Don't ignore it. First, understand why it's happening. Most false alarms result from three main issues: sensor contamination, low batteries, or the need for a reset. Let's break down each problem and how to fix it. Addressing these promptly ensures your alarm functions correctly and protects your home. Remember, a working alarm is crucial for safety, so let's get it sorted out. For sensor contamination, gently vacuum the alarm's exterior every 6 months to remove dust and debris. If it's a low battery, replace it immediately. Newer lithium batteries last over 10 years, while alkaline ones need annual changes. Finally, try resetting the alarm by holding the test silence button for 10 to 15 seconds. If these steps don't work, consult Kidde's website for model-specific instructions or consider replacing the alarm, especially if it's over 10 years old. Regular maintenance and prompt action keep your alarm reliable and your home safe.